These two poles now mark the position of the motor gate, so this will be the opening. So let's just walk this. I'll give you a sense of what we need to clear. So as we continue, swing it around here, over here, over here. So you can see just the house peeking out there. So the idea is to put a parking area in that. Now, of course, just to reflect, I want to lose as few of these trees as possible, but I do need to clean it up a little bit. So let's maybe get started from the roadside. The rain is really coming down now, but just look at that. So I pulled all of these out, cleaned up cleaned up. So this area completely cleaned up now. I left the big trees. I'll reassess who needs to come out later. I want to keep as many as possible. But yeah, look at this. Took a couple out here just to clear up the underbrush. Look at that. Nice. I'm going to call that a day. Next week I'm chipping. Do follow along. Look forward to seeing you then.